Hello, Amazing All-Stars. Today is Wednesday, March 16th. Let's find out what is on our number corner calendar. Had a lot of interesting information on our calendar. Yesterday's card had 9 o'clock. Let's see what will be on today's card. Whoa! It moved from 9 o'clock on yesterday's card to 10 o'clock. To move from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, we're actually moving 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 60 minutes, which is equal to 1 hour. So 1 hour of time has gone by. We are now going to add on another day in school, which makes now 118 days that we have been in school. 118 days. And that means we change this information to 118, 100 plus 18, 50 plus 50 plus 18 will give us 180. Then we have 100 plus 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We need to add one more to make it 118 days in school. After doing that, we're going to go to our dimes, nickels, and penny collection area. Let's see, and I'm going to spin it. 2 more dimes. This has been a week of dimes. So we're adding 2 more dimes to our collection for the week. How much money have we collected? Maybe we should count this now just to see where we are with this. We have, remember, each dime is worth 10 cents. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 cents we've collected so far, which is amazing. That's really good, really good. What we're going to do now, my dears, is a couple things. We're going to, first of all, focus on continuing to make facts that equal 10. That is super important. I cannot tell you enough how important it is, because knowing how to make 10 and math facts that equal 10 or taking 10 and subtracting will help us with other math as we continue to learn more complex math concepts. So here we have, good one, 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. And then we can say 10 minus 5 equals 5. Very good. Let's try one more. 9. 9 plus 1, or as we can put it, 1 plus 9 equals 10. And then we'll have 10 minus 1 equals 9. All stars, what I would like you to do, let's see something juicy here. I would like you to begin to count for the rest of number corner time from the number 100 all the way up to 120. And then once you make it to 120, count backwards from 120 all the way to the number 100. I know you can do it, all stars. I believe in you. Off you go.